Hi, my name is Rosalynne, and this is going to be my cow eye dissection video for Bio 168 with Professor Potter. We've unpackaged our eye, and the one major difference between a human eye and a cow eye is that a cow eye is bigger than a human's eye. This part that I'm holding is the fat and the muscles. This is what helps the eye to move. The fat and muscle play an important part because they wrap around the bone to hold the eye in place. So now we're going to go ahead and cut this part off. As you can see, the fat and muscle have been separated from the eye. This area here is the cornea. This is the protective layer of the eye. Here is where I'll make my first incision of the eye. There's a liquid that comes out called the aqueous humor. The aqueous humor that would typically be in a cow's eye brings nutrients to the eye. As you can tell, my eye kind of got a little bit dense and it deflated some once I put the incision across the cornea. Now we're going to see how many protective layers the cornea has. So we're going to cut the cornea off. And we're going to separate the cornea, which is this small piece right here. This is the cornea. The side of the eye that was cut in order to remove the cornea is a sclera. Now, if you listen very closely, I'm going to cut the layers of the cornea. The iris gives your eye its color, and it contains the pupil. Your iris adjusts to allow only specific amounts of light to come into your eye. If there's too much light, then it will get bigger. If it's not enough light, then it will get smaller. Human eye, this part is round. In a cow's eye, it is oval. Now we're going to remove the lens that is surrounded by the vitreous humor. The vitreous humor is a jelly-like substance that helps to protect the lens. The lens's primary job is to focus light into your eye. This is the retina. It's all connected at one point. The spot that your retina hangs from is considered the blind spot. The retina lies flat in the back of the eye because of the vitreous humerus. The vitreous humerus pushes it and creates pressure, holding it in place. This little spot right here is the optic nerve. That's the optic nerve. Right there. That little white part, right there. That's the optic nerve. That is what causes cats and cows and animals to look like their eyes are glowing at night. It's coming from the tapetum. Humans do not have tapetums. We have black in the back of our eyes that help us to absorb light instead of reflecting light like animals do.